Welcome everybody to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 steps to turn any space into a video studio. Step number 1 is location. This is what I'm picking out right here. As you can see, I've got a lot of work to do. It's a wreck. But this is the location that I'm thinking of. Alright, so this is my shot right here. Pretty much, this table is kind of gross. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to throw a tablecloth over it, just make it look a little bit better. Perfect. Oh, this is perfect. And that will bring us to step number 2, which is backdrop. As you'll notice, this backdrop is just beautiful. So let's change it. Alright, got the background cleared off. Now I think I'm going to grab a shelf and then I'm going to decorate it so that the background is cool. How's that for a background? Pretty good, right? Okay, that was step 2, was the backdrop. Step number 3 is going to be lighting, because look at it in here, it's terrible. I'm going to be doing this with no studio lights, so we're going to see how this goes. The lights on my ceiling do like turn and aim, so that's going to be really nice, because I can point them over here. And I'm going to be doing some improvising shortly. Meet my improvisation. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. First of all, we gotta figure out how to set this thing up. Oh boy. Oh, this is fancy stuff right here. We have light, folks. We have light. Oh man. Alright, so now, since if I aim this in my face, it's a little bright. So what we're going to do is we're going to bounce this light off the ceiling. Just shine them up against the white ceiling. That should hopefully kind of act as a diffuser because it'll bounce down. Hopefully be a nice even light. We'll see how it goes. This lamp needs to be here because it fills in these shadows. Look at that. You can't. Ugh. Anyway, that brings us to step 4, which is to go get coffee. I don't know what step 5 is yet, because I'm making up these as I go. Sis hushed Schnee! The roads are like only slush right now. Alright, it's time to grab some coffee. Alright guys, we finished up there. We are headed back home now. I still have not finished. I still have one tip left. Also guys, the short film is coming, the LA short film. I wanted to have it up this week. It's like fully edited except for the last couple clips. It might be a while. Anyway, I will see you guys at home. Got back home now, as I said. Which brings us to tip number 5 of how to set up your little studio area. And tip number 5 is audio. So audio is like 50% of video. Very important. Set that up. Alright, clearly this is not the best setup, but really none of this is the best setup. This could all be done completely different, but I have spent no money on this. Okay, this looks pretty good, doesn't it? Right? Got the backdrop and the table and mics and audio and everything and did the 5 steps. So hopefully this video was helpful and, you know, entertaining and stuff. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. I was hoping that would stick. Hang on. One of these times it's not gonna come down. It's almost like this is for a podcast or something. I've said too much already.